Hi, you're watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Nag-aalala sila, ano ba yung sasabihin ko dito? Anong ba yung sasabihin ko? I just feel so bad because you know what? I don't know if my cousin even knows, or my aunt even knows, that because of the constant harassment na na-receive ni Rams David mula kay Ms. Dolor Guevara, pati kay Tito June Rufino, I couldn't understand. Bigla na lang akong wala ng representative sa aking trabaho.
Well, he resigned today, for the record, Sir Rams, Chef. We were told just today.
What did he say? I'm sorry.
He resigned today as your manager.
Yes. And I cannot blame Rams for that. First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat kay Rams David at sa kanyang kapatid na si Miss Chris Perez kasi they haven't done anything wrong ever since na inalagaan nila ako. They took care of me the best way that they can. But see, I understand na marami pa silang mga talents na inaalagaan. At naiintindihan ko rin kung bakit kailangan nilang gawin yon. It's a business at kailangan nilang alagaan yung mga alaga nila, and they also have to fend for themselves. It's just sad na nadadamay ang ibang mga tao dahil lang sa isang opinion na sinabi ko. I am entitled to give my opinion just like everyone else.
So paninindigan mo yun, Chef?
Bakit naman hindi? I supported my cousin during her 2013 run. Hindi ba halos ako nga ang pumunta sa buong Pilipinas para irepresenta siya? Kung hindi ako naniniwala sa kakayanan niya, bakit ko gagawin yon? But para sa akin kasi, sa usapang presidente ngayon, sana naman respetuhin din nila ang aking opinion dahil buhay ito ng mga tao. At isa ako doon. Citizen ako sa Pilipinas. Mahal ko ang Pilipinas. Siyempre, unahin ko muna kung ano yung nararapat para sa mga taong bayan, hindi para sa pansariling interes.
Are you endorsing any of the candidates?
I'm reserving my support for anyone. For whoever candidates. Kung sino man yung nakikita ko na nararapat at dapat mamuno, at talagang siya yung karapat-dapat dahil maayos siyang tao at isa pa, ang puso niya ay para sa mamamayan, pati sa mga bata at sa mga ina na tulad ko at sa mga single mothers na tulad ko, yun ang aking susuportahan.
Are you running for any position in the office 2016?
I'm not. Actually, it's just funny because tulad niya na sabi kanina, it just surprised me na sabi nila, I'm going to have my own press conference to tell all, and because I was proclaiming, that is not true.
Okay.
That is not true.
You're not running. Are you categorically saying you're not running for any position?
You know what? There are
Or
people.
you're considering it at least?
There are people who are asking me if I am interested to run. 5 years ago pa po. And
Can you share with these people? Just for,
I'd rather not say, but
are they in the position? Are they in the
I'd rather not
Kapitbahay
say.
or Rojas Kang?
I'd rather not say dahil iba-ibang mga grupo ito, hindi lang isa.
Chef, may nag-uudyok daw sa'yo para gawin lahat ito. Ano?
Walang nag-uudyok sa akin para gawin ito. I have my own conscience. I have my
Campanila,
own
Binay,
mind.
Naroa.
You know what? Masyadong mataas ang talent fee ko para ako'y udyukin nila. At isa pa, you walk the talk, ganun akong klaseng tao, no? At meron akong anak na kailangan mag-lead ako by example. She's watching right now. Yun lang. It's just, masakit lang para sa akin, Mario, because, you know, hindi mo akalain, like my former manager, Tita Dolor, I respect her. And even Tita June Rufino, who's actually the PR for tonight's event dito sa INC. Ay, hindi ko alam na kaya pala nilang gawin yon. Na actually it kind of scared me because kung kaya nilang i-threaten yung livelihood ko, di ba? What more kung let's say nakaupo na yung pinsan ko, what else can they do, di ba? Yun yung sa akin. So para sa akin, I just said my opinion, my personal views, and everyone has a right to their own opinion. alam nyo, at the end of the day, ang pamilya will always be together because we love each other and we respect each other. The thing is, wala akong alam na dito pala sa atin kung saan it is a democracy, no? Hindi ka na pala allowed magsalita. Or hindi ka na pala pwedeng magsabi ng iyong sariling opinion at yung sarili mong views.
I think they were just saying that there's a proper venue for this at hindi dito sa launch ng Felix Manalo. Yun lang naman.
Alam mo, Mario, marami na kasing taong nadamay. I'm not actually doing this for my own sake. There are people whose lives depend on the work that they do for me also. So, pag nakita mo yung empleyado mong umiiyak, dahil ano nga naman yung gagawin nila, dahil wala na yung paper for now, sa nila kukunin yung kanilang pangtusto sa mga pang-araw-araw nilang mga pangangailangan. So,
Kinalaman ba yung pinsan mo?
I have no idea. That's why I'm asking. If I don't even know if my cousin knows this.
Your cousin is Senator Grace.
Yes, I don't even know if she knows anything about this. But you know what? Like her, I am a mother. And she has children. And she has responsibilities too. Ako, I live within my means. Like my auntie said, hindi ako nandito para manira ng kapwa ko. Most especially family member. That is a no-no sa pamilya namin. Hindi ako nandito para pahiyain ang pamilya ko. Sobra-sobra ng mga iba't ibang mga kwento ang ginagawa tungkol sa pamilya ko, tungkol sa nanay ko. Kung sino nga yung dapat magreklamo, ako nga yun, dahil biological na kid ako.
More than that, doon ka nasasaktan naman.
Nasasaktan ako dyan, but that is not the reason why nagsasalita ako. Nagsasalita ako, we have not spoken yet. If they want to speak with me, the communication line is always open. Hindi naman ako umiiwas.
I mean, was there something between you and her?
Wala akong sama ng loob. Wala akong sama ng loob.
What happened? Parang was there something happened before today between you and Senator Grace?
It's not that. It's not what you're thinking. It's just that
I'm not thinking anything.
it's not what you're trying to say, but the thing is, we have our differences too. We have our differences. So yung sa akin lang, at the end of the day, they have to respect my opinions.
Okay, when was the last time you talked to her?
I can't remember. I can't remember.
Pero I assume na masasaktan si Manang Inday dito sa nangyayaring ito.
Sino ba naman ang hindi masasaktan, di ba? Pero hindi ako nandito para manggulo ng pamilya ko o hindi ako nandito para magpapansin. Ako ay nandito, pumunta ako dito sa event dito ngayon because tungkulin ko to, trabaho ko to. I'm one of the characters here, and it is my job to attend the press conference, just like any other working person is under a production or under their bosses, di ba? Yun yun. But for me to be constantly called upon and told na, wag na akong dumalo dito, anong ibig nilang sabihin doon? Ano yung gusto nilang sabihin sa akin? Are they depriving me to speak? Or are they really making me silent or keep me quiet?
Indulge to ask this question. Sorry, but would you be willing, because there's a process going on now for yung DNA, would you be willing na
You know what?
pa-DNA courses?
Unang-una sa lahat, I will indulge you. I am not willing because unang-una sa lahat, I know that it is not true. The mother or the parents of my cousin is different from my parents. Please spare my family from this. Affected na ang Sonora, idinamin niyo pa ang Cruz family. Ang tatay ko nananahimik na rin, tulad ni Uncle Rani, nananahimik na siya, nakahimlay na siya. Please naman, spare niyo na kaming magkakapatid. Hindi naman namin pinangarap maging front pager or mailagay sa front page ng mga magazines, ng mga tabloids, ng mga newspapers. At ako, simula nang ako'y mag-artista, hindi ko naman ginusto na maging parte ng cheap gimmickry or ng mga kung anumang publicity stints. I started working when I was 4 years old. I earned my way up here kung ano man yung mga recognition, mga awards na natanggap ko dahil pinaghirapan ko yun. Hindi naman yan overnight na lang na biglang ibibigay sa'yo. Ang respeto, you earn it. To give respect back to the people who wants to be respected, they have to earn it too. So yun para sa akin, It's a very, very simple thing. Pinalaki kami dun sa pamilya namin na kung ano man yung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo ng iba, huwag mong gagawin sa kapwa mo. Yun lang, yung golden rule na yun, yung pinaniniwalaan ko. And kung masama ang loob nila or kung sino man sa mga sumusuporta sa pinsan ko dahil nagsalita ako, please respect my views and opinions. Dahil hindi ko naman din tinatanggal sa inyo kung ano man yung inyong mga pananaw, kung ano man yung inyong mga opinion. Kanya-kanya tayo. Hindi naman tayo nabubuhay na parang I owe you anything because you don't spend for my living expenses or anything. Alam nyo, simula nang umupo yung pinsan ko, I never asked for a favor. I never asked for a favor nor a position. Kung ano man yung tulong na binigay ko, I did it out of love and respect for my family. But this time around, I also hope that they too will respect kung ano mga decision ang meron ako. Kasi nanay nga ako. I am a citizen, I am a paying citizen. I work and I'm a single mother. No one is helping me. I'm not asking for help from anyone. I only want my job to be spared, yung work ko to be spared at hindi idamay. Kasi as of now, dinamay na nila.
What kind of specific threats are you receiving right now? Anong threats yung sasabi mo na may banta sa livelihood? What specific threats are you receiving?
They pulled the plug on my advocacy. Yung 5 years na advocacy ko, na andoon sa kultura na inalagaan ko, they pulled the plug on it the next day after they read the article that I said. I mean, the article wherein I said na hindi ako sang-ayon sa pagtakbo ng aking pinsan for presidency. That is my opinion. That is my personal opinion. Para nila idamay yung mas nakakararami, nakakalungkot. And then, another thing is, yung paghaharas nila sa manager ko, napatahimikin ako. Dahil baka kung ano pa yung sabihin ko, ano ba yung sinabi kong masama? Yun lang naman yung aking tinatanong. Wala akong sinabing masama, wala akong dinisrespect, wala akong pinahiyang tao. Alam ko naman kasi yun, dahil I was very careful of everything I said. I have even a recording of my interview that time. Kasi nga, Mario, takot din naman ako sa karma. Ayoko rin naman na mangyayari sa akin kung ano man yung mga hindi mo gusto na mangyari sa'yo, ginagawa dun sa'yo. They already said.
Start na daw ng president.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi mo.
Yung sabi na kasi nila, they pulled the plug.
I already said Mrs. Marmalade.
Yes.
I already said Mrs. Marmalade. So I believe that I actually...
Your cousin or something.
I have no idea. You know what? I am not saying that my cousin has knowledge of this. I am just saying na kung aware ba yung pinsan ko dito sa nangyayari. Because I'm sure hindi rin yung matutuwa. Not even my aunt. Because, alam nyo, mga tao na to, mga buhay na to, na mga nadadamay. And just because of my opinion, para idamay ng ibang mga tao, di ba? Nakakalungkot lang. Kasi, hindi ba nila naisip na tulad nila mga magulang, meron din yung mga yon, mga responsibilidad, tinutustusan sa pang-araw-araw, mga anak nila, mga nagtatrabaho para sa kanila. And right now, you know, I'm just happy because if not for Rams David, I won't be part of this project dito sa INC. And I would like to thank also Director Joel Lamangon for keeping me in mind and making me part of this project. I have no hard feelings, wala akong sama ng loob for Rams because he's always been there to help me. But you know, I wish I could protect him too. But right now, I do understand kung bakit kailangan niya akong i-go. Yun lang naman.
So, nare-realize mo that this will be used by the opposition?
Pardon?
You do realize that this will be used by the opposition?
You know what? I'm not here for anybody's gain. I'm just here speaking and telling everybody kung ano yung mga nangyari. It's not to further somebody's political agenda or career. Kasi kung iisipin ninyo, paulit-ulit na nga rin nagamit yung nanay ko dito. Kung meron mga dapat nga masaktan at magreklamo, kami yon. Ngayon na lang ako nagsasalita. Hindi naman kasi ako magsasalita kung hindi naman ako in-interview. When I was interviewed by the reporter from Manila Standard, I was actually working that day for Buena Familia of Channel 7. Pinuntahan nila ako sa location. Siyempre naman, courtesy naman, pag pumunta doon yung reporter at maayos naman sa yung nagtanong kung pwede kang ma-interview. Di syempre naman, bilang artista at bilang tao naman, na siguro naman may respeto rin sa kanyang kapwa, pagbibigyan mo naman yon. So, gano'n lang naman yung nangyari doon. For them to make a big deal out of this, I actually don't want to say anything anymore. It's just that I also have to let you know what has been going on. And it's very bothersome to me. It's very bothersome.
Just a follow-up yung stability.
Mayor, the press
Are you not aware po,
is about to
Michelle,
start.
kung sino po yung kinuhanan ng DNA sample? Hindi po ba yun one of your relatives?
I have no idea. I
Ma'am,
have no idea.
I'm just curious
Sa DNA lang
why are you opposing the candidacy of your cousin? What exactly your reason?
Ang feeling ko, it's just too abrupt. It's just too
Kung
early.
hindi 2016, pwedeng 2052.
As tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung mas marunong nga na senator, na si Sergio Menus worked closely with my cousin. Ang sinabi nga niya, she would make a fine president, just not right now. Masama ba yung aking sinabi na sana, wag muna sa ngayon? Because it's just too soon for me.
You know
It's
her
just too soon
better.
for me.
Why do you say it's too soon for you?
Siyempre, mas gugustuhin ko na mag-make siya ng mark niya dun sa Senate, diba?
So,
As a senator.
okay.
You know, I wish all my family members the best. I don't want someone having a hard time na biglang dahil lang doon sa isang pagkakamali, sa amin lahat makikita, mapupunlaan kaming lahat. Alam mo yung ibig ko sabihin? I want to spare my family of that. And it's not because of her capabilities na sinasabi kong binibilittle ko. That's not true. I'm not belittling Manang Grace's capabilities. It's just that she would be a more effective president come 2022 and not 2060.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.